Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a little explainer of how I work with solvents in oil painting. Some of my friends who are more familiar with watercolor acrylics, this is a bit wild. So basically I have one little container that I use clean solvent, in this case citrus terpene. And after every session I collect any of the solvent that is used. And what happens over time is the pigment kind of falls out of the solution and I can pour off usable solvent. And so basically I can use this like dirtier solvent for just cleaning my brushes, whereas the fresher clean stuff would be what I mix with the oil paint. You can see there like it's really dirty once I shake it up a bit. Some artists even will filter that out and just straight up reuse the pigment and make it into new oil paint. So saving on some materials, it's really interesting.